Bulla, give the girl them long distance.
Oh my god, lame.
She wish she coulda. You know?
Okay, no, please.
Wagwan subbies! I'm Chaddy.
And I'm Danny.
You know we're here for a good time.
A long time.
We are here for a good time.
And a long time.
Before we get started, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to be a part of the family right now because you know we're here for a good time.
And a long time. And also subscribe to Life with the Subbies, our vlog channel.
Yes, go ahead because we've been dropping videos on there and doing live streams as well. Go ahead and comment down below that you have subscribed. If you have not, go subscribe.
Yep.
If you are from Jamaica, you know
these snacks that we have in front of us.
But right now, I miss Jamaica so much that I had to go and go get snacks, guys.
I know, and it's like we didn't even get all of them that we wanted, but this is what the supermarket had.
Yeah, they were actually run out of snacks because every time I go abroad meets, them always have snacks. But this was like literally a little bit. Like
that's because everybody is snacking. Comment down below if you're suffering from the same disease of snacking.
If you like this quarantine, you put on 20 pounds. God no, man, I tell you.
It's like you don't have nowhere to go, nothing to do but eat. Even if you're leaving out on the road, you don't really want to eat like so much on the road. So you just fill up your house with snacks, and this is what we did. And
if you are from the Caribbean, comment down below right now. You're from the Caribbean, which part in the Caribbean are you from? And if you have these snacks, comment down below right
now. What's your favorite snack?
What's your favorite snack?
Mine
Even if you're
definitely
from Jamaica.
Bigfoot.
Yeah.
But we didn't get a regular Bigfoot, right?
So yeah, so basically what they had was just this Bigfoot,
the
this
spicy,
which is
I
not,
like as well.
Which is not a real Bigfoot.
Yes,
Bigfoot is just regular
original.
cheese. Yeah. And they didn't have any, so they only had these. Okay?
That means we need more Bigfoot.
Okay.
This is Chad's mommy's favorite.
Bun. Do you guys consume bun just plain?
Yeah.
Or you have cheese with it? I can consume this plain, like bun plain, straight plain. Like bun can just consume straight.
We have the infamous
Bulla, drop some BGs right now in the chat right now. Go ahead and drop some BGs.
But the best thing of all on this table is pepper shrimp. The dried pepper shrimp.
You look at bought that to them.
The best pepper shrimp. I was hoping that you bought it, and I was thinking about it in the car all the time you're in there.
That's the thing they had the most. Like literally, they had.
And you only bought one?
Yeah. Cause that thing not cheap, dog.
Oh my god, you could have bought like 3.
and they never had no chippies, so they only had St. Mary's.
But you love St. Mary's.
I love St. Mary's. Comment down below.
I'm a chippies girl.
Comment down below. St. Mary's or chippies? Comment down below
all
right
the
now.
way. St. Mary's is good, but chippies.
Yes, this is a mukbang for you guys today, and we are going to be talking while eating and consuming some food.
We're gonna
get
update
some
you
snacks
on our
right now. Yeah, we've been working, guys. We've been working on lots of content for you guys on the other channel, the vlog channel, which is with Life with the Subbies. Go ahead and subscribe. Again, we can't tell you this enough because that's where we're gonna be more. Okay, okay. Let's get started. Danielle can tell your experience.
I know, like this week I had like some craziness.
Yeah. So Danielle had a little like problem with back of her neck.
Like one day I woke up and like there was like 2 little like lumps on the back of my neck,
and it felt like a muscle torn.
Yeah, like I had a lot of pain right here, and I was like watching it because I don't know if I slept bad. As you know, Chase sleeps beside me, so you know that it could be that. But I had it for like a few days. It's kind of gone down now, but it's still there. And you guys know that I have my thyroid and stuff, so I went to the doctor today and.
Well, she has to get double dosage.
I have to go back on my medicine because I was off for a while, and I have to do blood work. Yeah,
so. And that's one thing is like crazy in this time right now.
This week I had like, I know I went in there looking so crazy. I had on a big hoodie.
Yeah, literally there was only like what, one person?
I was the only person in there, thank God, because I tried to go early. But I had on like a big hoodie. I had on the orange gloves. I had on my glasses, my mask. So because I was like, okay, I'm gonna go into the doctor's office. I don't want to touch anything. Look at him taking out the bulla. And I'm like,
sorry to interrupt.
I need something that I can just pull off when I came out because I was like dreading. And Chad is like not listening to my story because he's too into his bulla.
I was there.
Can I have a piece?
No.
Give me. It kind of smells good because it's the coconut one.
And you guys are probably saying, oh, what are you eating with it? You supposed to eat pear. Or
oh,
supposed to eat
the drink.
You're supposed to eat pear or butter or milk with it. Bad man don't drink nothing with that, not eat nothing with it. Straight side.
Choking. Choking alert.
Hold on 1 second.
So yeah guys, so I had to take my hoodie in and I went in quickly. I washed my hands like 500 times because I was like dreading going to the one place where all the sick people go, but it was okay, nobody was there. And Chad was waiting outside with Chase. So I had to go back to the car, change all my clothes, and then go in the car because you know Chase is gonna want to touch me. The best drink on earth.
Yeah, 2 things, you know. By the way, this video is not sponsored by nobody.
No. None of these snack places.
None.
I'm gonna have the best snack on the table, which is Bigfoot. Comment down below if you love Bigfoot. Spicy or original?
I say original. Original is the thing. Shirley biscuits, I never tried this flavor
Yeah,
yet.
why did you get chocolate? I
Because
didn't even
like
know.
I said, you never listened to me. This is what they were limited to, okay? They were limited to a chocolate flavor, okay? They didn't have the original Shirley biscuit. I shouldn't be eating this because my mother named Shirley and I shouldn't be consuming my mother. Why? I can't eat that.
This is spicy.
By the way guys, do you guys like cheese balls? I was never like a cheesy person. I never
love
like
cheese
cheese
balls.
like that.
I like Tigers.
But I know Daniel love it.
Tigers.
I know Daniel love it. What's that?
Chase will love it.
Opening the Shirley biscuit, mommy, I'm sorry.
It looks good. How does that one taste?
Yo.
Chocolate Shirley biscuit.
Not bad. This was Milo? This was Milo, babe? This was Milo?
This tastes good. Not with Milo. There's too much chocolate. Milk.
I mean, not Milo, sorry, milk. This was milk? You put this, you just dip this. Guys, you know me, I'm pretty weird, you know.
We know.
You know what I do? I would take Oreo cookies and put them in the milk.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Like, but just leave it in there.
Ew.
And then you know how like you get soggy at the bottom? You know, we get a spoon and clean up the rest, right?
I'm sure a lot of people do that. That's not weird. Comment down below if you ever done that.
Practically right now we're missing Jamaica. As you can see, we have said this already, and this is the only reason we feel close to it now.
I think we'll stack up on the other snacks. But then you know when you finish those and you want something new, so we decided that we're gonna go to Raw Meat and get the snacks there. But I think we're expecting to get more snacks than this.
Yeah, like I thought there was more snacks, but honestly when I looked, I was like, whoop, there goes us.
I'm sure everybody had the same idea going to get snacks and stacking up the snacks just in case, because you know hurricane season is coming too. So might as well just stack up from now.
Yeah, better stack up from now. I haven't had a Bigfoot in probably like 2 years. Let me get one now. Yo, me and you gonna fight today, you know.
$5. $5 for my Bigfoot. I can't believe you don't like the spicy one. So we've seen a lot of you subscribe to our other channel, Life with the Subbies, and we want to say thank you. That's mainly going to be, as we said, about Chase and stuff.
These St. Mary chips though.
So we baked banana bread, and if you haven't watched that video, go and watch it.
Go watch it right now.
It was like, it came out okay, but it was like, I think maybe on a second round, it would be perfect.
First of all, if you guys watch it, actually you guys have to watch it first. Watch it first. Watch it first. And then we can tell you what happened, because there's something that Daniel did not realize, and I had to like tell her, babe, it's not so good.
Comment down below if you love banana bread.
Yeah, comment down below.
I love banana bread.
Comment down below what type of cake you guys like, or bread, like banana bread or something like that. Like even dessert, like what type of dessert you guys like?
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert right now, since we're baking guys, you know what I've been thinking about? A pineapple upside down cake. Like I would die for that right now. Like getting a pineapple. You don't like that before?
I like it. I can't make it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to buy that.
It's like quarantine making everybody feel like they're chefs now. Everybody cooking, everybody putting up, but they have nothing else to do, so might as well. So maybe we'll try and make a pineapple upside down cake. Comment down below if you want to see us make a pineapple upside down cake. Comment down below if Chad should make a pineapple upside down cake. I don't think so either.
I'm good. Comment down below your favorite soda, Jamaican soda or Caribbean soda. Comment down below.
Cream soda.
Mine is apple J.
Yeah, I like apple tea. Okay, I have more than two.
Cream soda, bad way now.
Cola champagne.
Cola champagne for sure. So I'm gonna say cola champagne.
And pineapple.
Yeah. Alright, yeah. Give it top three. Give it top three. Cola champagne.
You can't pick one.
But think of it like, brother. Alright, cola champagne.
Alright, top 5.
Apple G. Apple G. Apple J. And I'm gonna put cola champagne, apple J.
Cream soda.
Is that a cream soda or a thing? I'm gonna say thing.
I say cream soda.
No, I'm gonna say thing.
Cream soda.
Nice. Like
Thing too, but cream soda.
Thing is just unusual, brother. You can find cream soda like anywhere, but it not taste like the real cream soda in Jamaica.
Yeah, but Ting is in my top 5 and cream soda. We don't have to have the same top 5.
Did you eat off the whole of that?
No.
Oh, come and say, yo, you're wicked enough?
I could. I will.
My top 3 snacks, since we're eating snacks right now, I'm gonna give you my top 3 snacks right now I love and I can consume every day of the week. I'm gonna start from number 3 and going up to 1.
Only 3?
Yeah, only top 3. And are you ready? It's going to be bun.
It's not really even a...
I don't like to get bun, but I like to consume bun.
It's not even like a real snack though.
This is 3rd place, okay? Second, you guys give your list down below right now, you know. Second will be St. Mary's banana chips. Like, I could eat this whole bag off right in front of your eyes, but me, you know, I'm not gonna be too bad, you know. And then me gonna say, Bula!
No, that's not really a snack.
Bula! Give the girl them long distance.
Oh my god, lame.
She wish she could have, you know.
Okay, no, please. Top 3 snacks. Cheesies. Even though we don't have it. Cheesies.
Cheesy's bad for real, you know.
Onion bits, you know that one?
Oh, your onion bits. Yo, I haven't seen that in years.
I think it's even hard to get in Jamaica.
That probably closed down. I don't know. I
I seen somebody with it the other day and I was wondering where they got it. I need that.
Yo, that bad, you know?
Onion bits, cheesies, and chippies.
No, dog. St. Mary, me said. St. Mary to me thing.
Chippies.
St. Mary just have a longer, like, look at that. Look at that. And then it just nice with the salt.
Chippies crumble up.
No, yeah, chippies too crumble for me and tough. No, people eat that because St. Mary, brother, is one of the nice tasting banana chips out there, dog. Period. I'm a dumb dog. You can't get me just eat banana chips from chippies. I like.
And you will eat chippies.
I like. Yo, when chippies there, I know.
But this coconut, no, chocolate.
Oh, that brings me to this. Everybody that goes to Jamaica and come back up, they bring up a bag of snacks. Just like my mother. She bring everything in the world. Oh, yo, cheesy bread. Cheesy bread.
That's not really snacks though. You have bun, you have bulla, and cheesy bread.
Cheesy bread and
that's not really a snack.
Bun is a snack, babe. Will you eat it for dinner?
Yeah, I can eat that for dinner.
Free. Not gonna lie. I consume some right now.
This chocolate Shirley biscuit tastes actually good.
Yeah.
You guys should try this.
I haven't tried it. Comment down below if I've tried that before. We haven't tried it before.
It's really
and
good.
It tastes really good. I'm not gonna lie. That myself with milk. Get the ball rolling.
The ball?
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are going to finish consuming all of these snacks right here. Subscribe to be a part of the family and make sure to smash the like button. Comment down below notification, Jamaica notification, which country you're from, and we are going to do a shout out in the next video for you guys. And thank you guys for your love and support. And we'll see you guys in another time. Another dollar and makes another snack. And stay safe and stay home.
Oh, just copy me.
Just copy me. Love you. Alright, peace.